Make a great choice today with the 2020 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, front license plate bracket, tires front all season, front wheel drive, tires rear all season, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.